Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to attempt to do a flat twist style that I found on YouTube. It is actually Natural 85's video, her little updo thing she did maybe about a year or two ago, maybe even more back then, but I will make sure I link the video up here in the cards as well as in the description box so you can check out her original video. Just want to give credit where credit is due, but I always wanted to do my hair that way. I looked at the video and instantly fell in love with the hairstyle, and at the time my hair was not long enough, number one, to do the style, and and then secondly, I don't think I did it right, because you're supposed to do it on stretched hair, and I didn't start out on stretched hair, so then of course that made all the difference. So I am going to try to attempt it here, and it was a cute little updo, flat twist updo that you can wear. I feel like it's something that's appropriate for any holiday parties that may be coming up, you know, Christmas dinners and all those things, all that jazz, New Year's, all that jazz that's coming up in the next few weeks. So please just bear with me as I try to recreate her hairstyle. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please take the time out to subscribe. The button is down below. It takes 2.2 seconds to subscribe, and also make sure you click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video. So without further ado, we're gonna jump into it. So I have my computer over here so I can watch what she's doing. So I'm gonna speed up the process a little bit, and I'll make sure I'll do a voiceover in regards to what I'm doing, so you can know exactly what I'm doing. But I'm going to be looking at her video, and I don't want you all to have to. If you want to see how I recreate her hairstyle, just stay tuned, and we're gonna go through this together, okay? We're gonna go through this together, okay? First, we're going to section off the hair in the top of the hair, the crown probably. That's not the crown, but we're going to section off the front of the hair. And then we're going to section and part behind the ear for our first twist section. So we're going to flat twist this back. I am using the Garnier Fructis styling gel to style this style, and we're going to do that on both sides. So again, here we're going to part on the side of the hair behind the ear in order to get our flat twisting section. Just a disclaimer, Jessica is not the best flat twister in the world, so this was a very difficult style for me to do, but I wanted to try it anyway. So again, I'm flat twisting that part on the other side, the same as I did on the other side. In the back, we are going to do 3 flat twists up, and I am extremely sorry that I have horrible footage of me doing this, but I, again, disclaimer, am not the best person to flat twist in my hair. So as you see, I have to bend down way down in order for me to get the flat twist neat, and in order for me to get it the way it needs to be got, if that makes sense. I just really had to do what I had to do in order to get the flat twist, because I was not succeeding at first, and your girl almost gave up. But I said, you know what, no, let me go back and do it the correct way. So I am doing 3 flat twists in the back. Now I will have a video of Natural 85's video. Her video will be linked in the cards as well as in the description box, so check that out so you can see how she did the back of her hair, because she has way better footage than I did. So yeah, this non-flat twisting queen right here is doing the best that she can possibly do. So finally, after I got my 3 flat twists done correctly in the back, what we're going to do is create a bun in the back. So the middle flat twist that's in the back, you're going to create a small bantu knot, and then with the rest of the twists, you're going to just wrap those around that bantu knot to create a small bun. Okay, so that's the gist of this right here. In the front, I am just doing simple 2-strand twists, and I am using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream, and I am going to twist my hair and then roll those up into perm rods. On Natural 85's video, she does the regular twist, and then she twists those into bantu knots. So you can do the front of your hair however you wish, whether you want to do bantu knots, twists, whether you want to use perm rods, flexi rods, whatever, it is your choice. But here I am using perm rods to roll up my twists. After I am done twisting my hair, I am going to sit under the dryer for approximately 30 minutes to an hour just to set the style in the front, so I can take these apart and take these loose so you all can see how this style looks, because I doubt if I have it in my hair tomorrow. But I'm just going to set it to dryer for about an hour. If you want to continue to keep this style, and you can just go to sleep right after you twist it, and then wake up in the morning and do the rest. All right, everybody, that is all for today's video. I hope you all liked it. I will probably try to do this again and take my time with it. I really have to practice flat twisting my hair. That is my weakness, so that's why this hairstyle for me, this didn't come out the way that I would like it to, but it's still a very chic and cute hairstyle. So this is the final product. I'm just gonna play with it a little bit, but let me show you all how it looks. So here, here's the back, here's the side. So I hope you all liked this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. I am willing to try anything once, but I'm willing to try. I've been wanting to do like up styles or updos, so to speak, for protective style purposes, just because I do not wear weaves. I don't like to wear weaves. When I did wear braids twice, I hated it. So I have been trying to find different ways that I can just wear my natural hair in protective styles. And you know, of course, flat twists and updos are like what you should do, but I'm not the best flat twister, as y'all saw in the video, as y'all heard my disclaimer. So just put any ideas in the comments below. I am open to trying things and trying out different hairstyles on my hair. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments. Any suggestions, let me know in the comments. This will be my last video for 2018. I will take a short break. You know, it's holiday season, so I want to take that time out to enjoy my family and my friends and my loved ones during that time. So I will not be we'll be recording, however I just won't be uploading and editing and doing all that background stuff that you all do not see. I still will be on Instagram and Twitter and on Facebook, so you all can just make sure you follow me on all my social media networks, and I will follow you back, sis. I got you. But until 2019, I hope you all have a great Christmas. I hope you all have a great New Year, and I hope you all spend that time with family and friends and all your loved ones. And I will see you all in 2019. I mean, unless you follow me on social media, then I mean, I'll see you there. But see y'all in like 2 weeks.